In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload an audio to your Google Slides presentation, and then you can make sure that the audio will be played during the presentation. So the first thing you need to do is you have to upload the audio file to Google Drive, not Google Slides, but Google Drive, because there is no native way to insert or upload a video through Google Slides. You have to use Google Drive. So you have to open Google Drive, and then you want to upload the audio file to your Google Drive account. I'm going to click and drag this file, this music that I got from Udio. By the way, you can also use music from Suno, or you can also use music from Pixabay and many other platforms. Make sure that it is a format that is compatible on Google Drive. Usually major formats like MP3 or WAV also supported. So I think there shouldn't be any problem with that. Now the file has been uploaded to my Google Drive account. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Slides presentation right here. Click Insert and then click Audio. And then here you will see the option for Google Drive. I'm going to navigate to the folder where the file is located. This is the file, and I'm going to insert it to my slide right here. Okay, just wait until it finishes. It might take quite a while because it's essentially pulling the file, which can be quite big, into this slide. Now the audio has been inserted to this presentation. You can see this preview right here. Just click play to make sure that this is the correct audio. Okay, I think it looks perfect. Now there is some settings that you could, sorry, I have to click on this icon. It's quite small, so I'm going to zoom in. Yeah, apologize for that. Okay, now we have clicked this file, sorry, this audio icon, and then you will see a lot of options. You can play the audio automatically or on click, or you can also loop the audio during the presentation. You can adjust the position, the setting, the color, and many other settings. But this icon is visible during the presentation. If you don't want that to happen, you can just click this icon and then move it somewhere else outside of the area of this slide. This will make this icon to be invisible during the presentation, but it's still functional. It will still play the music. So just to give you an idea, I'm going to play this automatically during presentation, and I want to reduce the volume a bit. And let's click slideshow to test the result. Okay, the audio should be playing now. Okay, that's pretty good. Maybe there is a little bit of delay because it's pulling data from Google Drive, so there is going to be 1 or 2 seconds delay, but it wasn't a big problem in my opinion. So yeah, that's basically how you can insert an audio into your Google Slides presentation.